So kung nabalitaan nyo po, kung nabalitaan nyo na that Canada will open new enhanced pilots for permanent residency in March 2025. So ito po yung program na to will offer PR on arrival and lowest language requirement po for caregivers. And also itong upcoming home care worker immigration pilots, ito yung magsasucceed, magpapalit doon sa isinara noong June 17, 2024 na home child care provider pilot. Ito yung HCCP kung tinatawag. Yan yung program ko na entry ko nung nag-apply ako dati. And yung home support worker for elderly, yan yung papalitan ng program na home care worker pilots, home care worker immigration pilots. So, itong program na to, itong enhanced na to, in-announce ni Minister Mark Miller noong June 3, 2024. Kasi 'di ba nag-end yung HCCP and HSW June 17. Nag-stop siya, nag-accept ng applications at that day. So, finally closed. That was a 5-year program, HCCP and HSW. So, ang papalit na home care worker immigration pilot. So, ito yung magpapatuloy sa yung nagsarang caregiver program. So, mas to kasi lower ang IELTS requirements and pati ang education. Ang education is at least high school equivalency dito sa Canada. So, yun din po. And then, PR ka pa pagdating mo sa, PR ka pagdating mo dito sa Canada. So, meron siyang advantage sa mga naunang mga programs ng caregivers because pagdating mo dito, PR ka na kaagad. Yun yung nasa, but yung clear guidelines po, aantayin pa bago mag-officially open. I'm sure ilalabas na yan ng Immigration, Refugees, Citizenship Canada, yung from IRCC. Ang guidelines ng home care worker immigration pilots, ilalabas na yan. So yun po, be ready na po, dapat handa na po lahat yung mga yung requirements para pagbukas kasi yan may quota. I'm sure may quota yan sa childcare at saka for elderly. So may God bless you po sa lahat ng mga aplikante at sa mga aspiring applicants na gustong mag-Canada. So yun po.